Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly again with Inbound Revenue. Don't have the Inbound Revenue shirt on, so I can't point to the logo, but you can check us out at inboundrevenue.com. I'm going to talk to you today about another landscaping success story. Love the landscaping niche. If your landscaping business is any size at all and you want leads coming in regularly, even here in the fall season, reach out to us. We'll help you out. In this case, we're running not just landscaping, but we're running lawn care, which is coming to an end as far as new clients. It's a big spring thing. And we're also running lawn maintenance, lawn maintenance and care being more along the lines of feeding and chemical application, things of that. But their big deal is landscaping. So you see over this month, last 30 days, we've generated 27 leads at almost a 20% conversion rate. We try to shoot from 10 to 30% for conversion rates. We're square in the middle, super happy with this. The client's super happy, been with us a long time. You can see we could get them more leads with more money, but it is what it is. Ignore optimization scores, they're pointless for the most part. But I just wanted to show you, we're getting $65 leads across the account with $26 lawn care leads, $60 landscaping leads, and a couple of higher end lawn maintenance leads. But that's great because that's recurring service. Lawn maintenance is something you get done month after month after month. 27 leads, almost a 20% conversion rate. Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. Have any comments, questions, want to reach out? Find me at inboundrevenue.com. Find me on Facebook or Twitter. Talk to you all again soon.